what's up? A very warm welcome to everybody. I hope all of you guys are having a super amazing day going on. I am super pumped up because I just had bath. So much energy I have. Okay, so we're gonna make this class very amazing because we are back with what? With the sprint series of which session. This is for grade 7 nutrition and plants is the topic for today. If you have seen the thumbnail or the description, that's what we'll be learning right today, guys. And this is a sprint series. What does that mean? That means that we will be doing mind maps, previous year questions. In sabke baad we'll also be doing VQuiz. I know many of you guys are waiting for the VQuiz and that is what we will be doing. So what is up? What's up, people? Hi Arnav, hi Shreyans, hi Druvika, hello, hi December Queen, hi Mona Lisa. What's up, guys? What's up? Good to see you all in the class, but not enough. Bring in every friend of yours to the session right today because it's gonna get very interesting, very interesting. Hi Arzu. Very interesting. Come on, quick. Call in every friend. Hi, Pankuri. Good job, guys. Chalo, let's get started. And I want to give you guys one challenge today in the session. What is the challenge? The challenge is to get 100 likes by the end of this class. 100 likes is your challenge. So make sure that you all hit the like button. Let's make it 100 likes. Okay. We'll start from now. धीरे हो जाएगा. Right? Class खत्म करने का time पर हो जाएगा. So likes. Let's do it. Okay, everybody hit the like button and we shall start. Ready? Okay, a beautiful dose of motivation, guys. Something that you all need because your exams are gonna come up. You need all the motivation you guys can get. So here is your motivation. Every day is a new beginning. Yes. So once you wake up, you have a fresh page in your diary. Right? You can plan everything what you can do in a day, right? Because every day is a new beginning. You can achieve a lot of things. You can do a lot of things. So push yourself. Make sure that you guys do something which makes you happy. Can be anything. Okay, be happy, guys. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Okay, so guys, we are going to be talking about nutrition in plants, right? So far, in the previous class, which was yesterday, we learned about nutrition in animals. That is how animals eat the food, this, everything. Okay. If you want to watch that, watch yesterday's class. Okay. So today, we'll be finally learning about nutrition in plants. Do plants eat food? Do plants cook food? Yes. Okay, plants also do eat food, guys. But what do they eat? Why do they eat? All that we'll have a look at this. Okay, let me see if I can make this here so it can look big. I think now it's fine now. Okay, better, no? First, we'll start off with plants. So guys, plants we have not seen begging from somebody, stealing from somebody, right? Cooking its own food. We have not seen it, but we know that plants are also living organisms. Now, if they are living organisms, we also know that they need food, right? So, plants are organisms which can make their own food. There are two types or two modes of nutrition that can happen. One, autotrophic mode of nutrition. Another one, heterotropic mode of nutrition. The organisms which depend on other organisms, they're called as heterotrophs. For example, do we produce our own food? No. We take it from plants, we take it from animals, right? So we are all organisms which are dependent on the other organism for food. Not just humans, guys. All the other animals, right? Your dog, cat, mouse, cat, whatever, right? Everything is a heterotroph because we obtain food from other organisms. Now, can plants be heterotrophs? Plants, or a majority of the plants we have, they are all autotrophs. What are these autotrophs? Autotrophs are organisms which can make their own food. But you might think, but sir, हम लोग भी, we also make food. My mom makes food. No. Plants make their own food from simple substances. They don't depend on anything. They take whatever is there, like carbon dioxide, water, sunlight. Using these simple substances, they make their own food. Yeah? All they have to do is stand in one place. What if humans can do it? What if we can just go out, stand in the sun, make our own food, come back? Nobody would work, right? You don't have to study. You don't have to work. All you need is some sunlight, go out, stand for some time, sleep. Right? Exactly. But only plants can do it, and certain bacteria, algae can do this photosynthesis process. Okay, now let's come to the main point. Sir, what is this photosynthesis? Photosynthesis का मतलब क्या है? You might all have this doubt. Let's break it down. Let's draw a beautiful plant. You know, I'm very good in drawing, so let's draw it. Okay, this is the stem of the plant. Okay, let's make it more beautiful. The roots of the plant. Let's draw the ground. Huh? Somebody's Snapchatting me. Huh? Okay, let's take the leaves also. Beautiful leaves. Okay, so we have a plant right here. Now, one thing that I learned in school, guys. This plant, I can also draw a tree. One thing I learned in school. Very simple. That's all, tree ho gaya. One more thing I learned very easy. You know what that is? House. House, done. One more thing, mountains. The only thing I learned in my drawing school. Mountains ho gaya. Then what else? Birds. Sun also. See? Beautiful scenery. Okay, let's go back. Let's get back to class. Okay. First thing, what is the meaning of photosynthesis, right? Let's learn about that. Photosynthesis. What is this photosynthesis? Let's break this word. Photosynthesis. Photo means what? Photon, photo, light. Synthesis, to make. So what are we doing? We are using light to make the food. That process is called photosynthesis. So for photosynthesis, sunlight is very, very, very important. Like very much needed. So plants take all the sunlight from the sun, right? Sunlight is taken. Very good. My pen stopped working. Amazing. Amazing, bro. No luck. One sec. No luck. इसको refresh करना पड़ेगा. Yo. Gone. Everything is gone. Okay, very well done. Somebody is hacking me, huh? Okay, so for now I'll draw a rough diagram, okay? So we have a plant. It needs sunlight. It takes sunlight. It also needs water. It takes carbon dioxide. Right? And produces what? Produces carbohydrates, right? Carbs. Or it is also C6H12O6. That's the formula of carbohydrates plus oxygen, also water, right? This is the output of photosynthesis, right? Exactly. Now, But please tell who is that person. Me, yeah. I am some person. Okay, I forgot to tell my name. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my class. My name is Mohan, Master Teacher of Science from Vedantu. You are in Vedantu Young Wonders. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like button right now. Okay, yeah. Now you know my name. Huh? Good. Okay, let's go back to the slides to understand this detail. Check this out. So first, what we have, glucose is also a type of carbohydrate, beta. C6H12O6 is also glucose. Don't worry. Okay. So first it needs light, right? So every green plants has a pigment called as chlorophyll. Now the job of the chlorophyll is to trap the sunlight. So chlorophyll helps in trapping the sunlight. So sunlight is trapped. Next, roots. The roots of the plant helps in absorbing the water and minerals. Water is done. What about carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is taken into the plant through tiny pores on the surface of the leaf. Those tiny pores are called as stomata. So stomata has that tiny pores present on the leaves which help in gaseous exchange. So everything is done. So now that we have everything, the plants will make its own food and produce. The products are carbohydrates and oxygen. Now that oxygen is taken by us. We breathe that oxygen for all the organisms, right? Exactly. Now my question is, sir, we learnt about what is autotrophic, sir. What is this heterotropic? Now heterotrophs are organisms which cannot make their own food. They can't. So they depend on other organisms. In heterotrophs, we have three types of cuisine. We have herbivores, the animals that only eat plants, sheep, right? Rabbit, deer, elephant, yeah. So all these animals only eat grass or green plants. They are all herbivores. Carnivores are the animals which eat meat of the other animals, like lion, tiger, panther, all that. Omnivore are organisms which can eat both. They can eat plant products, also animal products. Example, the bear, us, crow, all of these are examples of omnivorous animals. Okay, got it? Yeah. Now, photosynthesis, as I told you, see, light energy is captured by chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide is taken in through stomata. Water is taken or absorbed through the roots. And together they make sugar. Sugar is also a type of carbohydrate. See guys, carbohydrates, glucose, sugar, all these are types. Don't worry, that's just the same. Different forms of carbohydrates, that's all. Now they also give out oxygen. Isn't it? Okay. Where is food made in the plants? It's made in the leaves. The leaves are the food factories of the plant. Right. Important questions of class 7 science with Nobita ma'am. We'll do. Don't worry. Now, sir, are there plants which also are heterotrophs? You might all have this doubt. Do you have this doubt, guys? Do you have this doubt? Sir, are there plants which are also heterotrophs? Do you have this doubt? Yeah? Yeah, do you have this doubt? Are there plants which also eats the other animals? Do they have? Do they eat? do they eat? Alright, there are heterotrophic plants also. Okay, so heterotropism or heterotropic mode of nutrition, I told you, it's all about what? It's all about depending on other animals for food or other organisms for food. So we have parasitic plants, we have insectivorous plants, saprotrophes or saprotrophic plants, saprotrophic mode of nutrition, right? These are the types of plants or types of heterotrophic plants that we all have. But sir, ये parasitic क्या होता है? Let's see. Now, first let's discuss all about parasitic plants. Okay. Parasitic plants we'll discuss. Imagine there is a beautiful plant. A huge, not so huge, a beautiful plant. Okay. Can somebody name this plant? Somebody wants to give a name for this plant? Anybody wants to give a name for this plant? Oh, tree. Wow. What a name, bro. Tree. The name for this plant is tree. So innovative, da. Okay. So let's say we have a Groot here, or tree only we'll say. Mr. Tree is here. Mr. Tree. Now somebody will fight. Sir, why not Miss Tree? Sir, why only Mr.? So we'll keep it as tree. Okay. You guys will ask, sir, how did you find the tree was Mr. Sir? I know you guys. So let's have, this is the tree. Now someday, what happened? Somebody came to the tree. Something came to the tree and started climbing the tree. It started spreading to one of the branches like this. Okay. Now what is that? That, my dear friends, is something called as Cuscuta. The name is Cuscuta. Name itself is so bhayankar, no? Cuscuta. Bro, my name is Cuscuta. Now, after few days, the tree starts to die. All the leaves start to die. Ayyo. And slowly, this Cuscuta also came here. Here. Entire thing started to die. And the plant was completely dead. Tree, rest in peace. But why, guys? What happened? Let's see. Tree right here is called as the host. And Cuscuta is a parasite. Now these parasitic plants are somebody who can steal. They just take all the nutrients. So Cuscuta is that plant. It's also called as amarbel, which cannot make its own food, right? Cuscuta के पास photosynthesis करने के लिए it doesn't have anything. It cannot do photosynthesis. Okay, so what it does is, it will see if anybody is doing photosynthesis, it will steal from them. So once it finds a plant, it climbs on the host and takes all the nutrients of the host plant. And the host plant dies. See how tricky, right? So such type of plants which take the nutrients from the host are called as parasitic plants. Example, Cuscuta. Simple as that. Understood? Yeah? Right. You might have seen, guys, these are yellow color twines. This yellow color twines will be there on the trees. You might have seen this. Okay, so parasitic plants is done, right? Okay, now next one, insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants. What are these insectivorous plants? Now, look at this green color, guys. Does it mean that they have they have chlorophyll? Does it mean that they have chlorophyll? Of course, They do have chlorophyll. It is present, huh? It's there. It's there. Chlorophyll is present. That means these insectivorous plants, no, they can do photosynthesis. What can they do? They can do photosynthesis. But why are they eating insects? Why are they eating small birds? Why are they eating butterflies? What is the reason, guys? Any idea? Any idea? Because these insectivorous plants are partially heterotropic. What does that mean? That means that they can do chlorophyll. They can do photosynthesis also. But photosynthesis पे क्या मिलता है? They only get carbs. C6H12O6. They only get that. But is carbohydrates only enough? No. They also need proteins. No. Look at the teeth. It needs protein. No. Now for the requirement of protein, they need nitrogen. Always remember, whenever we need protein, we always need nitrogen. Plants need nitrogen. But unfortunately, these insectivorous plants, the soil that they are growing contains no nitrogen. Oops. Now they somehow need protein. They were thinking, अब क्या करूं मैं? What can I do to get protein? What should I do? Finally, they are like, अब नहीं हो पाएगा. We'll start hunting. So these insectivorous plants started eating other insects to obtain that nitrogen or protein from it. Okay? Okay? They became evil because of the situation. So sad. Alright guys, so examples of insectivorous plant, we have pitcher plant, we have Venus flytrap. All of these are examples of insectivorous plants. Understood guys, everybody? Clear with insectivorous plants and parasitic plants? We have done both of it. Done both of it. So parasitic is done, insectivorous is done. But what are these saprotropes? Saprotropes का मतलब क्या है? Let's see. Okay, let's go back to our slide. Drawing is important, right? Let's go here. What will happen after plant dies? Let's see the story. Tree, the host is dead. Host is dead. So what happens? The tree will slowly fall down to the ground and it will start decomposing. Very good. What is this decomposing? We'll see. The entire tree is down now. The tree is dead. Okay. Now what happens is, chat box पे क्या हो रहा है? You are ignoring. Who am I ignoring? Okay. Now, after some days, what will happen is you can see some tiny things growing here. Any idea what they are? Now those are saprotrophic plants, or basically fungus. These are organisms which feed on dead and decaying matter. Dead and decaying matter. That is saprotropes. These are tiny plants which again cannot do photosynthesis. So they will basically feed on dead and decaying matter. Okay? Yeah? Understood, people? Understood? Very good. But then you can ask, but sir, how do other plants get nitrogen? There are certain, for normal places, no? There are certain bacteria in the ground called rhizobium, azotobacter. These are the organisms which will trap the nitrogen from the air, give it to the plants. Okay? Done, guys? Done. That's all. Byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen now. Correct? Yes, of course. What do you think? Pizza, huh? It is oxygen. So again, that's it guys. Now let's go for the questions. Are you all ready? Are you all ready for the questions, people? Batao jaldi se. Are you all ready? Yes, yes. Yes, amazing. Let us see how many likes do we have. Uske pehle we only 28 likes, sir. Hit the like button, guys. What did I do to you? Huh? What did I do to you? 10 people watching. Very good. Love you all. That 10 people. Thank you so much for coming. Come on, quick. Hit the like button. What is this? Everybody hit the like button. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So now let's go for some questions, guys. Let's see how much we have learned, and let's see. Sir broke after seeing. It's okay, man. Come on. Even if there is one person watching this, I will happily take this class. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Let's go for the questions now. Sir, please speak in Telugu. Telugulo em maatlade bhai? Em maatlade cheppu? We'll solve questions now. First question, everybody. Different mode of nutrition has been observed in plants. What are they? First one, autotrophs. These are the plants which can make their own food. Right? Heterotrophs. These are those plants which are dependent on the other plants for their food. Examples of heterotrophic plants: parasitic, example Cuscuta; Saprotrophic, example fungi; Insectivorous, example pitcher plant. Okay? Plants are considered as essential part of the earth as they keep a check on lot of process occurring all over. What would happen if all the green plants are wiped from the earth? Khatam, tata, bye bye. Right? Because the plants are the main organisms which convert all the carbon dioxide into oxygen again. They keep the balance between carbon dioxide and oxygen constant, which is very much essential for the survival of all the other organisms. So if at all the green plants disappear, that means all the food is gone. Herbivores die. If herbivores die, carnivores die. If everything dies, omnivores also dies. So the entire earth would collapse. Okay? Wheat dough, if left in the open after a few days, starts to emit foul smell, becomes unfit for use. Give reason. Because of saprotrophic, plants. So carbohydrate in the wheat dough encourages the growth of yeast. Yeast is a fungi which breaks the carbohydrate into simpler compounds like carbon dioxide, alcohol, which smells like foul smell. Right? Next, what are the various raw materials for photosynthesis? Sunlight captured by chlorophyll, carbon dioxide taken by stomata, water and minerals through the roots is essential for the production of food in the process of photosynthesis. Okay? Water and minerals are absorbed by the roots and then transported to the leaves. How? See, plants have two types of vascular tissues in them, guys. Right? You will learn about this in transportation of plants and animals. So, there are two types. One is xylem, other one is phloem. So, xylem is a vascular tissue which transports the water from the root to the leaves. Phloem is for transportation of food. Okay? Yeah. Got it? Next one. In the absence of photosynthesis, life would be impossible on Earth. Is it true or false? Of course. Because photosynthesis is very important because it keeps the carbon dioxide and oxygen level in balance, right? That's why it's very important. Long type answers, guys. Come on. Describe the process by which plants prepare their food using different raw materials. Photosynthesis, we already learned. Sunlight, chlorophyll is capturing. Carbon dioxide is taken in through stomata. Water through the roots. All these three together is converted into a source of energy, which converts into light energy during a chemical process. The food is basically synthesized in the form of starch. It's basically carbohydrates. The overall reaction of photosynthesis is like this. So carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight gives glucose plus oxygen. This is it. Okay? Got it? Please check it. My internet is fast. Describe the method for replenishing the soil with minerals and other essential nutrients by plants growing in those soil by farmers. First, crop requires a lot of nitrogen. For what? We know that they require nitrogen for making protein. But plants cannot take nitrogen directly from the soil, atmosphere. What they do is they seek the help of some nitrogen fixing bacteria like rhizobium. Now these bacteria take the nitrogen from the atmosphere, convert it into nitrogenous compounds and give it to the plants. Okay? Yeah, got it? Next one. Especially in leguminous plants. So leguminous plants are the ones which have a lot of rhizobium in their legumes. So whenever the farmers feel like the amount of nitrogen is less, they will start planting leguminous crops to replenish the amount of nitrogen in the soil, to refill it. Okay, let's go for quiz now. Are you all ready? Now where will you find the quiz? Below my video, right below my video, you can find the link for the VQuiz here. Click on this link and let us start with the VQuiz. Everybody, come on. Let's go. Click on this link and you can start with the VQuiz, guys, or you can go to www.vquiz.in and enter the code 228262. Let's go quick. I'm waiting for everyone, guys. Come on. I'll wait. Join in quick. After the onions are taken out. Correct. Quick, come on, guys, everybody. We'll start. Let's wait for all of your friends to join, guys. How can you join? Type this www.vquiz.in and enter the code 228262. That's all. Quick, guys, come on. Everybody join in. Joined already? Do we have 50 likes? Come on, 50 likes, few more. 11 more likes and we shall start with the quiz. Some people, I don't know for what they are there in my class only. अलग ही कुछ चल रहा है, पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है. Okay, why is live not working? Huh. God knows what's happening. Badal is saying, अरे ये गरिमा हर chat में. अच्छा. Something and all is going on. We'll start. Your data is not coming. Oh, good, very good. Okay. Let's start, guys. 50 likes. Come on, 50 likes and we shall start. Quick. People who have not liked the video, do it right now and we shall start. Quick. Thank you, GPS. Let's go. Come on, guys. Like these people who chat in the chat box, I'm wondering, don't you have friends to talk? Like, don't you have any neighbors to go and talk to or family members to talk to? You come to connect to YouTube. YouTube पे आकर एक live class में you're trying to find, अरे who is he? Who is she? God, guys, stop. Like level of you guys, don't stop. My God. Okay. Start making real friends, guys. Okay, start making real friends. That is how you will make friends. यहाँ पे ना simply you come and talk, nothing is going to happen. Okay, let's go for the quiz, guys. Here's your first question in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Get ready. Which of the following is a nutrient? Protein, fat, vitamin, all of this. What is a nutrient? Which of this is a nutrient? Let's go. Easy question. Which of the following is a nutrient? My Insta is learn with Mohan, guys. Come on, quick. Which of the following is a nutrient? Let's go. Protein, fat, vitamins, or all of this. Alright, so it is of course all of them, guys. There are 5 types of nutrients, right? We have carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. These are the 5 major components of the food. They're all nutrients, okay? So we have Jay, Akshara Kumari, Sangam Pratap Singh, Bareen Fahim, Shreyas Singh, Rishu Raj, Janvi, Keshar, Vani, Shivani, Yakin, and Akshata. Great job, guys. Amazing. Here comes your next question. Let's go. Question number 2. The food making process in plants is called as what? Ten more seconds. The food making process is called as photosynthesis, guys. Come on. Leaderboard. Jai, Akshara, Sangam, Rishu, Bareen, Shivani, Janvi, Shreyas, Akshata, and Yakin. Great. Question number 3 on your screen. Which part of the plant is called its food factory? Fruits, seeds, leaves, flowers. The food factory of the plant. Quick, come on. What is the food factory of the plant? Time up. It's option C, that is leaves. Leaves are called as the food factories of the plant. Great. Akshara, Rishu, Shreyas, Shivani, Janvi, Bareen, Akshata, Ishta, Yakin, and Sangam. Great job, guys. Question number 4 on your screen. The tiny pores on the leaves surface through which gaseous exchange occurs. What are those pores called? Guard cells, food holes, gas holes. The tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves through which gaseous exchange occurs. There is something surrounding them. What is it? It is stomata, guys, but what is around stomata? What is around stomata? This question is little trick, no, not little glitch. So don't worry. What is around stomata? It is guard cells. Very good. So guard cells should be guard cells which surrounds these stomata, right? It's called gas holes. I don't think so. This question is not. Let's skip this question, okay? Next question. Question number 5. Gas holes, it seems. Ayyo. During photosynthesis, plants dash. Take oxygen, release carbon dioxide. Take carbon dioxide, release oxygen. Take carbon dioxide but do not release oxygen. Takes oxygen but do not release carbon dioxide. What happens during photosynthesis? Quick, come on. Let's go. So during photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide and give oxygen, guys, because it's photosynthesis. Respiration पे difference. Respiration पे oxygen लेके carbon dioxide निकलता है. But here it's only carbon dioxide and oxygen for photosynthesis. Okay. Leaderboard. We have Yakin, Shreyas, Bareen, Rishu, Shivani, Ishita, Zareen, Akshata, Arun Singh, and Akshara Kumari. Question number 6 on your screen. Let's go. Which of the following class of organisms belong to saprotropes? Fungi, algae, lichens, bryophytes. Saprotropes. Which class of organisms belong to saprotropes? Easy peasy, biryani is tastier. Yeah, come on. Quick. Let's go, come on. Chime up. It is fungi. Fungi is a saprotrops because it feeds on dead and decaying matter. Absolutely correct, guys. So it is Rishu, Raj, Shivani, Yakin, Shreyas, Ishita, Zareen, Akshata, Akshara, Bareen and Jay. Question number 7 on your screen. Which of the following is an insectivorous plant? Picture plant, Indian telegraph plant, 4 o'clock plant, Kaskuta. Insectivorous plant. 4 o'clock plant. What is 4 o'clock plant? Hey Riddhi. Thank you so much, beta. Come on, quick. I think it's 4 o'clock plant. Hi Shazib. It is picture plant, guys. So picture plant is a insectivorous plant. Got it? Good job. We have Rishu, Raj, Shivani, Ishita, Shreyas, Zareen, Akshata, Akshara, Bareen, Yakin and Jay. One last question on your screen. Which one of the following is a pair of symbiotic organisms? Lichens, rhizobium and legume. None of these, both A and B. Symbiotic organisms. Symbiotic means what? There are two organisms helping each other. Okay? That is called symbiotic relationship. सर पैर तो एक ऑप्शन में ही है, लेकिन लिचेंस भी एक symbiotic organism है. In lichens, you have algae and fungi. Okay, that's together called as lichens. Okay, so rhizobium and legume is also symbiotic. So it's both A and B, guys. Final leaderboard on the screen. So we have Shreyas, very good Shreyas. Then we have Rishu, Raj and Shivani. Great job, guys. You guys have all done very well. Congratulations to all of you. And if your name is not there, do not worry, because it's all about learning and fun. And guys, do not forget to join the Telegram group, because I'll be sharing this class notes in the Telegram group. Okay, so also do not forget to share this video to all of your friends. Like, until then, this is me, Mohan, signing off. All of you, take care, stay safe, stay as lovely as always, you guys. Okay, bye bye.